When I was younger, I used to think crochet was just something simple, something ordinary. But the first time I saw handmade crochet blouse up close, everything changed. The details, the texture, the patience behind every stitch. It felt like art you could actually wear. And that's the beautiful thing about crochet. It's not just fashion. It's creativity, passion, and confidence woven together thread by thread. Today, I'm sharing some of the most stunning and beautiful crochet blouse design ideas that are not only stylish, but also inspiring. Whether you love elegant patterns, colorful designs, modern styles, or timeless handmade beauty, there's something here that will definitely capture your heart. Some of these crochet blouses are soft and delicate, perfect for a casual day out. Others are bold, classy, and fashionable enough to turn heads wherever you go. And what makes them even more special is that every single design carries its own personality. You know, handmade fashion has a different feeling. When someone creates a crochet blouse, they're not just making clothes. They're creating something meaningful. Every loop and every stitch tells a story of patience, dedication, and imagination. As you watch these beautiful designs on your screen, imagine yourself wearing one of them. Imagine the compliments, the confidence, and the uniqueness that comes with wearing something handmade and beautiful. One thing I truly love about crochet blouses is how versatile they are. You can wear them with jeans for a simple, stylish look, pair them with skirts for elegance, or even style them for special occasions. And the best part? Crochet fashion never goes out of style. Some of the designs you'll see today are inspired by modern trends, while others carry a vintage charm that feels warm and timeless. From detailed floral patterns to minimalist, classy looks, these crochet blouse ideas show just how creative crochet fashion can become. And honestly, it's amazing how a simple thread can be transformed into something so beautiful. That's the magic of crochet. And for those who simply admire crochet fashion, I hope these designs inspire you too. Appreciate the beauty behind handmade creativity even more. As this collection continues, take your time to enjoy every detail, every color combination, and every unique pattern. You might even discover your next favorite style idea. And if you're someone who loves fashion that feels elegant, creative, and original, then crochet blouses are definitely worth exploring. Thank you so much for watching and spending your time here with me today. If these stunning crochet blouse designs inspired you, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment sharing your favorite design, and subscribe for more beautiful crochet fashion ideas and inspiration. Keep creating, keep inspiring, and most importantly, keep appreciating the beauty of handmade art. See you in the next video.